Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, two tangents are drawn from a point P on the circle with center at O touching the circle at points Q and T respectively. Another tangent AB touches the circle at point S. If angle QPT is equal to 55 degrees, then find the angle AOB. So we need to find this angle AOB. Now, in quadrilateral OQPT, we have been given that angle QPT is equal to 55 degrees and angle PQO is equal to angle PTO is equal to 90 degrees. Since radius of a circle subtends an angle of 90 degree at the point of contact of a circle and tangent, therefore angle QOT is equal to 360 degrees minus 55 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree. So this equals 125 degrees. Now triangle AQO is congruent to triangle ASO. Therefore, angle QOA is equal to angle SOA. Let this be equal to X. And similarly, angle SOB is equal to angle TOB is equal to Y. Then 2x plus 2y is equal to 125, or x plus y is equal to 62.5, and therefore angle AOB is equal to 62.5 degrees. The next question is, the coordinates of a triangle ABC are A1, 5, B minus 2, 3 and C 0, minus 4. Then find the equation of the median AD. So the triangle is this, where A is 1, 5, B is minus 2, 3 and C is 0, minus 4. Now let D be the midpoint of BC. Then the coordinates of D are minus 2 plus 0 by 2 and 3 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 1, minus 0.5. So equation of AD is y minus 5 by minus 0.5 minus 5 is equal to x minus 1 by minus 1 minus 1. So this equal to y minus 5 by minus 5.5 is equal to x minus 1 by minus 2. So this equals minus 2y plus 10 is equal to minus 5.5x plus 5.5. So this equal to 55x minus 20y plus 45. What we have done is we have taken all the x, y and the numeric terms to the left hand side and we have multiplied by 10 is equal to 0, or 11x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. So the correct option is option D.